We got this shit again, man.
Yeah.
You understand? That's how we gotta do it.
Alright, peoples.
Freestyle out the freestyle, man. That should be the new mixtape name, man. Freestyle out the freestyle. Let's do it. Take off.
Take off, no motherfucking landing. They talking like they want it, but they life I'm demanding. Hold it in my hand, and anybody purping on my hat to blam them. Riding on that man slap smooth motherfucker. I'm a cool motherfucker. Why you purple, bitch? You know I got that too, motherfucker. I'm number one, you number two, motherfucker. And you niggas last place ain't what it do, motherfucker. My DJ chopping, then it's screw, motherfuckers. That's that cake, that's that chopper ripping through, motherfuckers. R.I.P. cause we do, motherfuckers. Fuck me, nah, screw motherfuckers. Know that I be hustling, knowing what I'm about, knowing what I do, knowing that youngin' got that clout. I ain't never scared, nigga look around, bitch I'm everywhere, and I don't give a fuck, fuck everybody, everywhere. I told it steady, yeah, heavy, that's the metal though. Bitches on my dick, do you dig me like a shovel, mo? I guess so, cause there's money over everything. Swimming in the water, I be floating like a penguin. Flying in the motherfucking sky, I be going in. Fuck you talking low, nigga, you ain't noticed, huh? Flying in the eagle in the water like a seagull. Motherfucker, you can see me, but a nigga do not sink you. I don't believe you wanna merge in my lane, mo. Cocaine flow, gonna block, switching lanes, mo. Drive the Range Road, go home, then I change clothes. Get a Durango, that's a different whip. Yeah.